Cirrhosis is a chronic, dangerous liver condition often characterized by widespread scarring of liver tissue resulting in decreased liver function. Removing the cause of cirrhosis can slow its progress. If the damage is not too severe, the liver can heal itself over time. The liver is a very resilient organ that's capable of generating new cells. Cirrhosis is the third stage in a four-part process that can end with liver failure. Stages include inflammation, usually accompanied by swelling; fibrosis, in which scarring begins, blocking or limiting the flow of blood within the liver; cirrhosis, where scarring becomes more widespread and repair becomes less likely; end-stage liver disease, or ESLD, which is a life-threatening medical situation. If the damage from cirrhosis is not stopped, it can become irreversible, eventually leading to total liver failure. Since an individual cannot survive without a functioning liver, only a transplant can then save that individual's life.